and welcome back to these video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Semester 1 Google Classrooms. So here's the step-by-step instructions. I'm not going to read through them, but you might want to go back to this part in the video and pause it later. You need to remember that archiving a class places the classroom in your archive folder. You still have access to it. Students still have access to it through their archive folder as well. It just doesn't show up on the dashboard every time you launch Google Classroom. It also disables the Meet link and the classroom join code so that students are no longer able to use those. Students are still able to view materials and assignment. They're just not able to submit any of those assignments. All right, so once you're in your Google Classroom dashboard, you need to scroll until you see the tile for the class that you wish to archive. So I'm going to go ahead and archive this one from summer school because I don't need to have this on my dashboard anymore. You're just going to click these three dots up on the top right corner of the tile and click Archive. So then it tells us that archiving this class means that it's not viewable unless they go to the archive file, and that classes can't be modified by teachers or students until they are restored. Everything that's been saved to the classroom is still in that folder in your Google Drive, though. So we're just going to confirm it and say, yep, archive. All right, so to view your archived materials, you go up here to the pancake or these three lines, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see that there's this one down here that says archived classes. If you click that, you'll see here's that summer school geometry class that I just archived, and here's all the other classes that I've either taught or been enrolled in as a student that have already been archived. If you have any questions or you need any help, please feel free to reach out.